Hello everyone, so in today's video I will show you how to protect your playbook against the execution of a playbook over the entire inventory. So I don't believe anyone does this, so to execute a playbook on his entire inventory when you have an productive environment with productive servers in the inventory. So I tried several approaches and nothing worked, and I managed to find one that is working, and it's a very simple one from my point of view. So first thing you have to do, you have to add in your inventory file to add a dummy host. So this is the dummy group and a dummy host, and also add this all children dummy. So those two things should be present in your inventory file. And in one of the so I'm using this with a role because this is what I want actually to do to protect against mistyping. So I want to execute all the tasks here only by using tags, and of course I want to point the playbook to a specific host or group from the inventory. So I do not ever want to execute all these tasks on the entire inventory. And I managed to do this. So this is the task that you should add. You can add this one in the main YAML if you have a role and you want to use it like me. So this will prevent you to execute a task without typing the tag. And this one, the other one that is commented out, is to not let you execute a playbook if you do not mention the if you not use limit and if you want to try it with limit all. This is again the entire inventory, but those two combined, they do not work. I do not know why. I tried several approaches and they simply do not work. So if I enable this, if I'm not typing limit, it will give me the error that I did not type the limit. But if I don't type the limit but I type the tag, then it will execute the updates updates task on the entire inventory. So I do not know why it's doing this. Maybe it's a bug, maybe I didn't understand it, how this supposed to work, but nevertheless I did find a solution, and I've added in all my tasks here, so in all my playbooks that I'm running separately, I've added these two tasks. The first one, it's just stopping the playbook, and it's showing me that I'm trying to execute the playbook on the entire inventory if the playbook goes through the entire inventory and finds my dummy host. And the next one is to simply stop the playbook. So let's see it in action. So for example, I do not type anything, then it will give me the error that it's missing the tag. This is fine because it's still blocking the script because I don't have a tag. If I use limit and let's say all and don't use a tag, again I will have the tag problem because I did not use a tag. But for example, if I don't use limit and I use tags and mention a tag, so maintenance, let's say maintenance on, then it will show me that I'm trying to execute this this playbook on the entire inventory, and if I hit here enter or anything, it will just jump to the next task, and it will stop the playbook and nothing happens. And the only way I can execute the playbook is if I mention the inventory item. So let's say what do we have here? Pool 02, because this one is the one that it's running now. Pool 02, and I need also to use a tag, and I will use, what tag should I use? Let's see so they are not in maintenance. Let's put them in maintenance on. Okay, it shows me this is part of the playbook. I just have to confirm that I'm okay with setting them to maintenance, and let's see. Okay, they are in maintenance. So this is the only way how I could actually make this work. So you are absolutely obligated to write to use limit to point to a valid inventory item, and also to a valid tag. So if I use incorrect, for example, incorrect inventory, this is recognized by Ansible that it does not have that item. Or if I try an incorrect tag again, it shouldn't recognize the tag. Yeah, it doesn't work only if you correctly mention the tag. Now the maintenance should be back off. Okay, so this was the video for today. A short one, but a very useful when you go to production. So this will absolutely come in handy when you have productive things to do. Yeah, thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this.